Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and creating the conditions for a clean update. Backup photos and contacts now, then plug the device in and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Make sure battery is above 50%. Once ready, disable any VPN or proxy because those can interrupt downloads. Next, free at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of space and clear the cache for settings and system update. Doing these steps reduces errors and prepares the phone for the actual repair process. Now you handle the complex middle steps that fix most persistent errors. First, go to Apps, force stop settings and Google Play services, then clear storage and cache for those services to remove corrupted metadata. Once done, reboot into safe mode to attempt the update without third-party app interference. This isolates actors that block installation. If that fails, power off and boot to recovery to wipe the system cache partition. This clears temporary files without erasing data. Finish by attempting a factory reset only after you've backed up everything, because a reset often resolves deep configuration corruption that blocks updates. If the reset still doesn't allow the update, reflash the stock firmware using the manufacturer's official tool or recovery image, following the device-specific instructions. Make sure to record the exact error code and any logs before dramatic steps. This single detail guides which firmware or partition to flash and can save you time. If problems persist, contact support with that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.